morning or afternoon, regardless. Yeah, I'm having a very flat hair day, and Chloe's having a very, very bangy day. Aren't you? Which is nice. Sort of. If having large amounts of wood thrown around. Yeah, you get the idea. So we go bang, 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 clap, clap, clap. We're not having any strum, strum, strum. I found quite a lot of cheese in my guitar. Yeah, I wonder who put the cheese in the guitar. Daddy, I'm hungry, but the guitar's not growing. The guitar should grow because I got loads of cheese in it. Loads of cheese. But it's horrible here, and it's just about to rain, and we were going to go out and do stuff. We're not doing that anymore, which is a real pain. But we're going to go into Ely, and we're going to go and get some yogurts for the eating. Aren't we? And maybe some razors, which would be nice. Yeah, it's all good. My back hurts. So we got some people to say hello to, I think. Hello to all the people in Wales, especially in Abertawe. Do you want to lean back, do you? Okay. And in Cardiff. And all the nice people in Cambridge we were going to go and say hello to, but we can't. Ooh. Anyway, say bye-bye. Yeah, we'll see you all later. I think we're going to be doing this all afternoon. You will get bored.